What kind of property, if we talk centers, where are you focusing now? What's working for you?
If you look at our 25 odd stores, it's a mixture of shops and kiosks.
Nationally, eh?
Nationally, yeah.
Okay.
There are many located in super regional shopping centers. Some of them are in regional shopping centers. Super regional, Mall of Africa, Sandton City, Eastgate are expanding into some of the other super regional centers in the Western Cape. So
Okay.
that's kind of been the model that the business has been built around.
Okay.
Yeah. If you look at the tenant mix that we associate ourselves with, obviously you've got your big anchor chains like your Checkers, Woolworths, etc., and then you've got your international clothing brands that are around us as well.
Mm-hmm. A bit about franchising. You mentioned you've been going long enough now that you understand the business and you're considering franchising the model.
Yes, we are in a long journey. It was something that was always on the cards in terms of our long-term view for the business, in terms of where do we go next. We chose a very careful approach to this franchise model. A lot of companies we find roll out franchise models because they think it's the path to riches, and it's not. It involves a lot of work on the back end. You've got to create the infrastructure and the resources for your franchisees in terms of support, marketing, operations, training as well. Our target is to roll out our first store by May, and with at least 5 franchise stores before the end of the year.
Sure. Okay. No, that's good.
Yeah.
Great. Thanks for joining us. And it was all the best of luck. And we love your product. It's been great.
Yeah. Thank you, Francois.
Thanks for joining us.